This industrial building was giving me a nice place where the people can come and use the ramp, the lift are safe. So what I was looking at is a nice room with a lot of lights, a natural light. The other thing is I wanted also to have easy access with public transport, and Tin One gives me that. I'm 20 minutes away from Central, from Pok Fulam is 5 minutes, and from the South District Stanley. So it's very easy to reach.
Anne 喺德國接受訓練，擁有嬰兒按摩、心理治療同特殊教育方面嘅專業資格，有超過20年嬰兒教育嘅工作經驗。喺2012年5月 ，Anne 決定將工作室由灣仔商廈搬嚟香港仔工廈，而家每星期都會親自教班啊！
幼兒學習班按年齡設計內容，上緊堂嘅 BB 得2至4個月大嘅咋。喺阿 Anne 嘅指導之下 ，BB 先要做少少運動，精神一下，再利用各種道具訓練 BB 嘅反應、平衡力同肌肉發展，睇得出各位 BB 都幾 enjoy 喎。
其實呢幾位係咪都係第一次上嚟工廈參加呢啲學習班嘅？
其實我係咯，係啊，
兩位都係啊，
我都係啊。不過我第一個仔其實我都開始嚟㗎啦，係啊，所以呢個係第2個小朋友。這是我第一次。
第一次。對。其實咧，之前有冇都做好多 research 咧？知唔知香港嘅工廈係咪好多呢類型嘅學習班嘅咧？
其實我都唔知道有咁樣嘅班嘅，只不過之前咧佢喺灣仔個堂咧，佢就搬咗嚟呢度，所以我就跟佢個堂，即係跟佢嚟呢度上堂。但我就覺得佢嗰個班係比較着重於啟發個 BB， 令到佢自己想去學嘢咯。咁我覺得幾開心咯。
As I work with babies from 6 weeks old to 1 year old, I need to have a very nice environment with chemical free, where we clean the floor and the mat at the beginning of the day or at the end of the day. After each lesson, the mat and the toys will be cleaned with alcohol, with aloe vera and vitamin E to disinfect everything.
魔嘅，邊個 BB 最上鏡？
全部都最上鏡，
真係㗎。
BB 愛上鏡咧，係因為人類豐富嘅表情對幾個月大嘅 BB 嚟講係好吸引嘅，所以咧係佢哋最好嘅玩具。
姑姑
BB 一邊照鏡一邊望住鏡中嘅影像，對認識自己好有幫助㗎。
想 BB 啊捉住啲玩具睇落去好簡單啫，但係其實係需要佢哋咧控制到啲肌肉㗎。
對 BB 嚟講有幾唔簡單，等我試下啦。
試下，嚟呢度。
呢項活動嘅重點係手眼協調 ，BB 要練習多啲，先可以學識揸緊、放開同埋控制物品㗎。在場嘅媽咪個個都落力同 BB 練習，母愛真係偉大啊！
平時成日笑人水皮係 BB 班，原來真正嘅 BB 班一啲都唔簡單嘅。